To find a job that you like, or to find the love of your life, or to understand the meaning of your living, you need to understand your inner self and your potential. Without understanding what is growing inside you, you won't be able to be satisfied with how you live. After all, how can you be happy without understanding what exactly makes you happy? The privilege of a lifetime is to become who you truly are. Carl Jung. Carl Jung is one of the most important figures in the history of psychology, whose philosophy contains valuable recommendations on how to become authentic and embrace our true selves. One of Jung's key concepts was the idea of individuation, the process of self-development and self-awareness, as well as the pursuit of authenticity. He believed that every person has the potential. To realize our true potential, Carl Jung offers a roadmap for this transformative journey. Let's take this path of discovering our true potential. We've prepared for you some ideas that can help you on this way. Idea number 1. Embracing authenticity. Being authentic means being true to ourselves, aligning our thoughts and actions with our inner desires and values. Be attentive to your reactions and reflections. Self-exploration will help you understand yourself more deeply and discover your hidden potentials. To be oneself is the highest form of success, a success that can only be achieved if we live our lives the way we want to. Carl Jung. However, authenticity is not as easy as it may seem. In modern society, where standards and ideals of beauty, success, and happiness are imposed on us from all sides, it is easy to lose our uniqueness and succumb to social pressure. Nevertheless, Jung believed that it is in the process of accepting our individuality that we discover true strength, capable of leading us to profound self-actualization and satisfaction. Furthermore, it is important to be mindful of our emotions and intuition. Explore your fears, desires, and values. Often, we face internal conflicts between what others expect from us and what is genuinely important and meaningful to us. Strive for a balance between external expectations and your own needs and goals. The process of self-exploration will help you uncover these conflicts and understand what you truly want and who you are. Being authentic also means standing up for your own beliefs. This requires courage and self-confidence. You must express your thoughts and feelings openly and honestly. This can be challenging, as we fear judgment, non-acceptance, or conflicts. However, when we take responsibility for our authenticity, we open ourselves up to deep and genuine connections with others. Only those who dare to be sincere can hope for success in the human world. A person who plays a role deceives themselves and others. Carl Jung. Moreover, it is equally important to take responsibility for your life and your choices. You must realize that you are the creator of your own destiny and have the ability to create a life that aligns with your true values. This may require making changes or letting go of situations or relationships that do not align with your authenticity. However, by making these decisions in accordance with your inner voice, you free yourself from a sense of dissatisfaction and the feeling of living an incomplete life. Idea number 2. Exploring the unconscious. Jung believed that the key to unlocking our true potential lies in exploring the depths of our unconscious. The unconscious contains aspects of our psyche that we may not suspect, such as our fears and unrealized potential. We can gain insight into our unconscious patterns and embark on a journey of self-discovery through methods such as keeping a journal, Written reflection and self-observation can help you notice and track your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors that may be unconscious. Keeping a journal allows you to discover patterns and themes that arise in your life and may be connected to your unconscious experience. This can be particularly helpful in identifying recurring dreams, emotional reactions, or irrational beliefs. Self-analysis is another method of exploring the unconscious proposed by Jung. He encouraged people to ask themselves questions and critically examine their thoughts and feelings. Through deep self-reflection and analysis, you can begin to uncover hidden motives that shape your behavior and experience. Idea number 3. Confronting the shadow self. One of Jung's most significant contributions is the concept of the shadow self. The shadow represents the dark, repressed aspects of our personality that we often deny or reject. Jung emphasized the importance of confronting the shadow to achieve wholeness. By acknowledging and accepting our shadow essence, we can harness its transformative power and tap into hidden potentials for growth and self-realization. Be honest with yourself and take an honest look at your shortcomings and dark sides. In the process of realizing your potential, you will inevitably face difficulties and failures. Instead of despairing and denying them, try to see them as valuable lessons and opportunities for growth. Analyze your mistakes and fears, extract lessons from them, and use them to improve yourself. Idea number 4. Develop your unique talents and passions. To find your potential, you need to discover and develop your skills and interests. Invest time and energy in what inspires you and brings you joy. Engage in activities that evoke deep enthusiasm within you. Be fully confident in what you do. Avoid following the footsteps of others or fulfilling their unfulfilled dreams. Engaging in things that you dislike can lead to apathy, frustration, and irritability. Instead of listening to people who guide you away from your own path, seek support within a community. Interacting with like-minded individuals can be an important source of support and inspiration. Find a community or group of people with whom you can exchange ideas, discuss your goals, and support each other on the path to self-realization. Interacting with like-minded individuals will help you feel supported and inspired. This journey may have not that many stops, but the path to the finish line is long and challenging. However, at the end of the trail, you will discover new horizons, and looking back, you will see your past self and understand how you have changed. These changes will be significant, and you will finally begin to recognize your true potential. The greatest and most important adventure in your life is the discovery of yourself. Carl Jung.